The museum showcases the heritage of Pendalee and the history that is behind it. Pendalee is a New Deal. Fact is, it's the first of the New Deal farm cities during Roosevelt's time, when it was begun to help the subsistence farmers and others who were down and out during the Depression era, so that they would have somewhere to go. $25 million was set aside to help in the industrial area and the farm areas. McCrae had his plan already, and with that he went straight to Roosevelt, who decided that this was wonderful. And Mrs. Roosevelt was especially in favor of it because this was a pet project of hers. The plan was that the farms would be 10 acres, and McCrae had thought that the farmer could sustain himself and have some cash money to pay for his farm. But it was later found out that this was very unrealistic. The museum is one of the first 10 houses that were built on the project. It was different from the other houses. In fact, by Pendalee being the first of the 5 different farm cities that were built during this Depression era, it was the most expensive one. And that was because we had electricity, we had running water. The houses were modern houses, landscape yards, outbuildings for all the animals. One of the criteria for being chosen to become a part of Pendalee was to have children. And the more children, the more likely you were to be chosen. We have things in here, memorabilia, that are replicas of the time. There are items of the time from 1934 right on up through the 1950s and some 1960s. Come by to see us and see how we lived. It was a wonderful community.